NX9 will introduce several new exciting technologies. One of them is the innovation that continues with Synchronous Technology. Since we introduced Synchronous Technology several releases ago, we focused on 3D. So in other words, topology of the solid and sheet bodies. You work directly on faces or edges of solid or sheet bodies, and you modify their geometry by directly manipulating them. So we took these concepts and we applied them to 2D. So Synchronous 2D is a new innovative technology in NX9 that utilizes fundamentals and core architecture of synchronous in 3D, but applies it to 2D geometry. What that means is whether you're working with the small profile or an engineering sketch or a large layout of a product, you're able to select geometry that you want to modify. We automatically find all the relationships in the profile that relates to the geometry you select, and we maintain those relations as you make the change. So it makes it for very simple, very easy, intuitive way to modify 2D profiles. And the best part about it is whether the sketches are constrained, partially constrained or fully constrained, or not constrained at all. Just like in 3D, Synchronous Technology doesn't care, it doesn't see that. It only sees the relations that exist in the part at the time you select geometry to modify. So what that does basically is enables you to modify geometry much faster, much more intuitively. You're not depending on any previously defined constraints or dimensions, and you're able to make changes very, very quickly and very effectively.